National People's Party NPP leader and Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar today stated that the recent unrest within NPP was because of some partymen who were trying to claim power by becoming party president through the back door. Joykumar was participating in the 74th birth anniversary observation of NPP founder Purno Agitok SANGMA today at Naremthong Community Hall in Imphal. Manipur unit NPP leaders and members paid glowing floral tributes to the photograph of PA SANGMA at the event. Angry members of BJP YUVA MORCHA stormed the BJP office at Nityaipat Chutek in Imphal this afternoon, protesting against the selection of Ram Krishna Koijam as the president of the party's youth wing. They damaged office properties during the protest. Police on time managed to defuse the situation. According to information, Ram is involved in several cases. Later, a group of party MLAs rushed to the site to discuss the matter. The Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS Imphal, today inaugurated the first ever sports medicine OPD of Manipur at PMR complex. The department will operate under the guidance and supervision of Professor Dr. Y. Nandabir Singh. The sports medicine department has been set up under the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India. Sports persons in need of medical care will be treated by a team of specialized professionals comprising of Dr. Y. Nandabir Singh, Dr. P.H. Bhupesh and Dr. Y. Ninthemba. The sports medicine OPD will be functional on all 7 days of the week, and every Wednesday will be Operation and Intervention Day. Heavy rains and thunderstorms are likely at isolated places of Assam during the next 24 hours, as per media reports. Widespread rain and thunderstorms are expected over Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh, remaining of Assam, Nagaland, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Tripura and Sikkim tomorrow. Scattered rain and thunderstorms are on the cards for Mizoram tomorrow. Isolated rain and thunder showers are also possible over Manipur. According to reports, the month of August 2020 has been the rainiest in the last 4 decades. A record number of 5 low-pressure areas are formed in the Bay of Bengal during August, and the month ended with a huge surplus of 25% rainfall. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC today mourned the death of former President Pranab Mukherjee and paid respect to him at the Congress Bhawan in Imphal. PCC President M. Okendro, MLAs and a galaxy of party leaders and members were present on the occasion. The party flag was half flown at the event. Floral tributes were paid to the photo of Mukherjee. M. Okendro remembered Pranab Mukherjee as a visionary leader and urged that all partymen should follow his footsteps. Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Y. Khemchand today condoled the demise of former President of India, Pranab Mukherjee. Khemchand remembered him as a man of unparalleled experience. Meghalaya Chief Minister CONRAD K. Sangma, along with other MPP leaders, laid the foundation stone for a National People's Party NPP office in Shillong today. They also paid tribute to late P.A. Sangma on his 73rd birth anniversary. The party also paid respect to former President Pranab Mukherjee during the foundation stone-laying ceremony and observed a 2-minute silence as a mark of respect to the departed souls. BJP Nambol Mandal COVID-19 Task Force today distributed essential commodities to 100 families of Nambol Sabal Lekai, now a containment zone. Workers of BJP Nambol Mandal made contribution for the essential items, which were handed over to President of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Professor S. Tikant, at his residence. Coach of KN Singh Athletic Academy Moirang, Kumar Singh, who is also an international athletic gold medalist, donated a sum of Rs 10,000 to the family of footballer N. Ramananda of Ngangkha Lekai Moirang today. Footballer N. Ramananda has been suffering from kidney disease and undergoing treatment at Jennings Hospital, Imphal. Salai Kanba Loop SKL Torbung Paugak Chau Ikai Lamthabung Area Voluntary Association Lava Paugak Chau Ikai Social Youth Development Organization SYDO, Paugak Chau Ikai and Divisional Forest Office Bishnupur jointly organized a tree plantation program today at Lamthabung Ground in Bishnupur District. SKL President Arun Ningthojam, Lava Secretary K. Sushil, SYDO President KH Yaiperba, and Paugakchau Ikai Forest Beat Office Forest Guard H. Sanamatum took part in the program, during which 300 saplings were planted. District Magistrate of JIRIBAM, W. Malimnganba Chenglei, has declared empty Section 7th IRB, UCHATHOL in JIRIBAM a containment zone today, following one person from the area was tested positive for COVID-19. As per an order issued by Malimnganba Chenglei, movement of people in the containment zone has been banned with immediate effect. All Manipur United Clubs Organization AMUCO provided relief materials like rice, pulses and salt to the residents of CHASSAD village in Kamjong district. CHASSAD witnessed a major arson attack on March 16, 2020. AMUCO leaders handed over the relief materials to the representatives of Kuki Khanglai Longpi, Churachandpur at the AMUCO office in Imphal today. Kuki Khanglai Longpi team later headed for CHASSAD to deliver the relief materials to the villagers. Kuki Inpi Manipur KIM initiated the CHASSAD trip. On the second day of 14th Assam Legislative Assembly session today, 50% of the MLAs attended the session adhering to COVID-19 protocols. As per our Assam correspondent, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the Autonomous Council Bill 2020, the Matag Autonomous Council Bill 2020 and Kamatapur Autonomous Council Bill 2020 were not tabled in the House during the session on March 24 last. The Boro Kachari Welfare Autonomous Council Bill 2020 will be tabled for discussion in the ongoing session, besides discussing the Assam Value Added Tax Amendment Bill 2020, the Assam Taxation Liquidation of Arrear Dues Amendment Bill 2020 and the Assam Goods and Services Tax Amendment Bill 2020. IPAC Films Production Manipur held an IPAC Online Painting Competition 2020 from May 24 to June 2 during the COVID-19 lockdown. IPAC Films Production Manipur Secretary Rakesh Naurem and Smart Security Service Secretary Laimajum Pratap today distributed cash prizes and citations to the winners of the online competition at their doorsteps. The painting competition was held on the theme COVID-19. Retired 1984 batch IAS officer of Bihar Jharkhand cadre RAJIV Kumar today took over as Election Commissioner, filling the vacancy caused by Ashok Lavasa moving to the Asian Development Bank as per a media report. RAJIV Kumar, who retired as Union Finance Secretary in February last after 36 years in the IAS, had been appointed the chairman of the Public Enterprises Selection Board from April 2020 till demitting office yesterday, according to an Election Commission of India ECI statement.